Today we will add skills. A skill teaches your assistant how to do a new task. Think of skills like apps on a phone. You pick the ones you want, and by the end, your assistant will actually do things for you. And to see skills, you have to click on your folders, then go to this PC, open C drive, go to users. Inside this, your username, and you will see one folder, OpenClaw Workspace. You have to click on that, and you will see these are the different files here. They are all important, and in that we also have one folder named as skills. If you click on this right now, it might be empty for you because you have not created any, but I am going to show you how to create skills. So let's get back to the UI here. And there is also one website, OpenClaw, that is Claw Hub, where you can find different skills. So you can type here clawhub.ai, and here you will see there are different skills. So you have to click here and you will find the different ones. So these are the featured, then there are top. So these are the top skill, the GitHub, skill scan, weather. We will use this weather, then agent browser, and so on. So you can download these skills from here. And you don't have to download it. You can just tell your assistant and it will download for you, or it will add it in the skill. So let's see. I'll show you how we can do that. I will say that from here, if you see, we saw this weather skill here. This one I will ask OpenClaw or my assistant to add this. I will write, please install the weather skill from Claw Hub. Then tell me when it is ready to use, and I'll press enter. So now it will check whether this skill is already exist in my user profile. If not, it will add. It is reading from here. So it is checking here. OpenClaw Skills Claw Hub skill.md. Now it is using some tools here. It says that the weather skill is already installed and ready. It is available right now. And if you want to test, it is asking me, I can ask question. So let's say I will ask question here, weather in Mumbai. I can just copy this from here and paste it here. You can see here assistant is responding. It takes a few minutes, so we have to wait while it works and go to fetch the live data. In the meantime, I will also ask my next question. I will get it ready. The next question will be, what is the weather in London today? Now it is reading from here. And here you can see the real weather right in my chat. Humidity is 89%, wind 37 km per hour is the speed. Temperature is 27 to 28 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow it will be 26 to 27, and day after tomorrow it will be 27 to 28 degrees Celsius. Now here you can change your model. So I am using Minimax M3, you click here and you can change the model, whatever model you have configured. Now let me check the weather in London. I will press enter. And after this, we are going to add one more skill and test it. And you can also ask your assistant to remove the skill if you don't want to use it. Now it is quicker than the first one. Humidity is 33%. Today the temperature is between 17 to 30 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow it will be between 70 to 27 degrees Celsius, and day after tomorrow 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Now I will ask it to install one more skill which is known as Web Summarizer. I will say please install the web page summarizer skill from Claw. Now this skill will read a link and give you the short version. So I'll open a new web page here and I will write Opus 5. This is the latest model released by Claude. So I'll get the link from here and then I will copy it. Let's go to the assistant. Let it add the skill first, then I'm going to ask it to summarize the Opus 5 details. So in the meantime, I can just write the prompt, summarize this page for me in 5 short points, and then I will put the article link here. I find it a little slow. So it says that there is no skill called web page summarizer, but here's the thing, the bundle summarize skill is already on your system. Status needs setup. It does exactly what you want, summarize or transcribe URL. Claw has many summarize variants. Set up the bundle summarize skill, it is already there. So it is already there, and that skill is known as summarize, and it will do the summarization. Let me ask this question. I will press enter. And after this, I will show you if you want to remove any skill, you can just ask your assistant and it will do it for you. You don't have to do it manually. And here's the output. Here's the page in 5 points released today. Cloud Opus 5 is live. Near Frontier at half the price matches Claude Fables 5 intelligence at Opus pricing. State of the art on coding and knowledge work, Top Frontier Bench and GDP Val AA on Cursor Bench 3.2. It lands within 0.5% of Fable 5 at half the cost per task. Verify its own work, find root cause, most aligned Claude yet. So we got the output in 5 points. It has summarized it well. Now let's say I don't want to install this weather skill, so I will just simply write here. Okay, I have to remove this first. Please remove the weather skill for now. And let me press enter. Let's see. So it says there is no uninstall command for bundle skills. The weather skill is OpenCloud bundle. Claw skills can be installed. So this weather skills comes as part of the OpenClaw bundle skills. It cannot be removed. But if you install any skill from this claw hub, then that skills can be removed. So just ignore it, leave it installed. It won't bother you. I won't proactively use it. Okay, so if you have installed any other skills from this claw hub, you can remove it if it is part of the bundle opening claw, then it won't be removed. So skills are very powerful. Pick them with care. Only install skills with good reviews and trusted maker. A skill can act on your behalf. So treat it like letting someone into your house. When in doubt, you can ask your assistant what a skill will do before you install it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.